Hello, YouTube family. Welcome back to our channel. So everyone wants to know, what is the most desirable neighborhood or community in all of Cape Coral? And today I want to introduce you to Savona, one of the most sought after communities in all of the Cape. And not only that, but if you stick around, I'm going to show you a home that's available in Savona right now that you can definitely get the most bang for your buck on. Savona is truly a hidden gem. It's a family-friendly community nestled in the Southeast Cape, right off of Del Parado. It's peaceful, yet so close to everything. Plus, the people here are simply amazing. Now, let's talk about proximity to things. So you're right around the corner from downtown Cape, about 5 minutes away. And you're definitely going to want to check out. There's so many things to do in downtown Cape. Some of our favorite places to check out for a unique pizza dining experience. We love Nice Guys Pizza. There's also Tito's Cantina that's owned by legendary UFC Hall of Famer Tito Ortiz. You've got number 3, Craft Beer Bar. So if you love craft beer, they have over 100 different beers to choose from. And Perk Brew, guys, when we are in the mood for a delicious coffee, we love to go to mom and pop type places, and Perk Brew is right at the top of our list. They have delicious breakfast and lunch options, and their coffee is out of this world. Now, as far as shopping goes, there is a neat boutique called Razzle Dazzle. It is so cool. It's been in business for over 30 years now, and it is just packed with inventory. Definitely something in there for everyone. Some amazing, colorful, unique styles, sparkly hats and purses, all of the things that the ladies will love. Welcome to 3906 Southeast 20th Place. Follow me. All right, guys, as we enter, you're gonna see how nice and open this floor plan is. What I love about this is that it's an entertainer's dream because your living room, dining room, and kitchen all flow right into one another. So let's talk about this kitchen. This home has been completely renovated recently, and I love the granite countertops that the seller chose, along with the white cabinets. All the drawers and cabinets are soft close, which tie in nice with the beautiful stainless steel appliances. Now, this home has 4 bedrooms and 3 baths. One of my favorite things about this home is that it's large. It's over 2,000 square feet. And it also has a pool bath, which is really nice when you have guests over and you're entertaining. They're in the pool. They can go right into the bathroom from outside. It also has a really nice master with an ensuite bath. And I love the vinyl plank luxury flooring that the seller chose to put in here. All right, now follow me out to the lanai. We're gonna go check out the pool. Another thing I love, guys, are these big pocket sliders. As you can see, they disappear all the way into the wall. Really blurs the lines between indoor and outdoor living here in Southwest Florida. Look at this pool. It's sparkling, it's gorgeous, it's huge, very large for entertaining all your family and friends. You got plenty of room under this covered lanai to put some loungy furniture and a nice dining table, and then a huge deck off to my right for your sunning loungers. What I love about this backyard area is that it's so private. It feels like you're in your own private little garden out here. When I walk out here, I immediately smell jasmine in the air, and it's so relaxing. It's the perfect spot to sit down and read a book and take in the wonderful fragrances. We want to thank you so much for joining us today for this tour of 3906 Southeast 20th Place, your gateway to the wonderful Savona community. If you're interested in learning more about this property or any of the fantastic spots we mentioned, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave us a comment letting us know what you'd like to see in future videos. Until next time, take care, and we'll see you in paradise.